Police officers and sheriff's deputies in Yakima County have access to peer support programs to help them manage stress. But the system has gaps, and now a lieutenant with the Yakima County Sheriff's Office is taking steps to improve mental health for everyone working in law enforcement. Cap KVU's Emily Goodell explains.
It is 100% acceptable and even applauded for someone to say, I need help. I'm not dealing with this. I'm having trouble sleeping.
Yakima County Sheriff's Office Lieutenant Chad Peterschick is working to pool mental health resources from across the county. For Peterschick, the need for additional mental health resources for law enforcement hits close to home.
My brother-in-law, Bob Whedon, was a deputy here at the Sheriff's Office, and he took his life. That was the day after my daughter was born. And so it hit our family very hard. It hit this department very hard.
Soon, if a 911 dispatcher or officer or staff member is struggling with something and wants to talk, they'll be able to call the peer support team coordinator. They'll look at who's available to talk and connect the person to someone with similar job duties and experience.
If the person feels like a cup of coffee, at some detached, non-work related scenario is a thing, it can be done that way. The importance of talking about those things is making sure that we're doing the best we can to keep that slate clear. We want healthy law enforcement officers handling our problems because that's what they're trained to do is solve problems. And if they are distracted by everything else they've seen, then we're not getting their best.
Training for the Yakima County Regional Peer Support Team is being funded by a $10,000 grant from the Washington Association of Sheriffs and Police Chiefs.
We have a class scheduled in the first part of June for here in town, and we're going to hopefully be able to fill that classroom and then go from there.
In Yakima County, Emily Goodell, Cap KVU, Local News.
And we have more on this story, as well as a new peer support group for volunteer firefighters on our website, yaktrinews.com.